делаешь? Ложечку.
So Scott showed me a video on TikTok where if you rub your comb, your cat gags. It doesn't work on my white cat, but it does work on my other cat. Poor Callie. Nothing on Max. But Callie can't take it.